Alright guys, yeah, I'm gonna unbox my new laptop. It's I'm also recording on my other like new laptop video things. You can guys maybe see the new resolution and stuff, and I have it on the iPhone. Okay, I'm doing it with kind of like one arm, so just give me a sec here. Alright, so this is a travelmate P4 Spin 14. 4 terabytes of memory. So this is the one I'm gonna use to teach my classes with, and it's new out of the box from ACER. It's like the latest, pretty much straight. Ooh, I'm breaking the box here. This is the box, and heavier than the carbon fiber one, the other travelmate. There you got the instruction manual. Yeah, and then I'm gonna put the box away now. Okay, and then now we got the laptop. Look at this. Look at that, nice and shiny. Get the other back side here. Look at that. So it's also a touch screen, and you get a little pen here, like a stylus thing, and let's open that. If you can see, touch screen. I'm gonna move this. Oh mate, it's very cool. So actually writing my left hand now. All right, that's it. If you want to know anything else, leave a comment and I'll put it like in the description or something. Thanks.
That thanks was so awkward.